In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a new sheet in Smartsheet. If you are new to Smartsheet, the first thing you need to do is get into your workspace and start with the right kind of sheet. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to click and how to create your new sheet with a name you can recognize. First, log into Smartsheet. On your screen, you should see the Smartsheet login page or the sign-in window. Enter your account information and proceed to the main Smartsheet interface. Once you are signed in, you should land on a page where you can manage your existing sheets and access the navigation menu on the left side. This matters because the Create option is located in that left navigation area, and you will need to be logged in to see it. Next, click the Create button, which is shown with a plus icon in the left navigation menu. Take a moment to look carefully at the left side of the interface. The plus icon is the standard symbol Smartsheet uses to indicate creation actions. When you select it, you should see a menu or a set of options appear. Clicking this button is the starting point for setting up a new sheet, so do not worry if the menu that appears looks a little different than what you expected. The key thing is that you have moved from your dashboard into the sheet creation flow. After you open that Create menu, select Grid. If you see other view templates, such as Task List or Project, you can choose one of those as well. For this tutorial, you should select Grid so that your sheet starts in a flexible tabular layout. A grid view is a common starting point for planning, tracking, and organizing information. You are not locking yourself into anything permanent, but choosing the initial template helps you begin with a layout that matches what you want to do. Now that you have chosen your template, you will need to enter a name for your new sheet. Look for the name field in the pop-up or form that appears after selecting Grid. Type a clear descriptive name that you can easily find later. For example, you can use a name related to your project, team, or purpose. A good sheet name saves time when you are working across multiple sheets, and it helps you keep everything organized. Once you enter the sheet name, click OK to confirm and create it. After you click OK, Smartsheet will generate the new sheet for you, and the interface should switch into the new sheet view. At this point, you can begin adding columns, updating rows, or inputting your first pieces of information, depending on how you plan to use the sheet. The most important part of this stage is making sure the name was entered correctly, so your new sheet is set up the way you intended. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to set up a new sheet in Smartsheet, from logging in to selecting the template, naming your sheet, and creating it successfully.